Discover your slice of paradise in Costa Rica. Embrace luxury, living like never before, with this extraordinary 9.62-acre gem nestled within the prestigious Eagles Point gated community. Situated at a lofty altitude of 2,600 feet atop Osa Mountain, prepare to be captivated by nature's grandeur at every turn. Picture perfect waterfalls cascade gently amidst lush greenery, creating a serene ambience that's exclusively yours to indulge in. A tranquil stream adds to the allure, offering a soothing soundtrack to your daily adventures. But the real showstopper? Sweeping panoramic vistas spanning 180 degrees, showcasing the majestic Pacific Ocean in all its glory.